Happy Friday, everyone. I hope your day is going amazing. Today, I want to talk about something a little different. An adventure where the destination isn't the focus, but the path itself. So let's dive right into this kind of journey. One that's all about the experience. Imagine standing at the edge of a peaceful trail, sunlight shining through the trees, painting the path ahead with golden hues. It's a scene that whispers promises of tranquility and reflection. The world's noise fades behind you, the constant hum of daily life slowly receding into the distance as you prepare to step forward. No pings, no notifications, just the quiet anticipation of what lies ahead. A digital detox for the soul. A profound silence that allows you to hear the whispers of your own heart. Here, you can breathe deeply, free from pressure and demands, inhaling the crisp, clean air and exhaling the stresses of the day. The trail isn't just dirt. It's an invitation to slow down and reconnect with the earth, with yourself, and with the rhythm of nature. Nature offers a gentler pace, a welcome change from the hurried pace of modern life, a chance to recalibrate and find your center, a space to find your footing again, to ground yourself in the present moment and rediscover your inner strength. Let's take that first step together, leaving behind the worries and anxieties that weigh us down. Feel the earth beneath your feet, a solid foundation that supports you with every stride. The fresh air in your lungs, invigorating your body and clearing your mind, preparing you for the journey ahead. This journey isn't about distance or speed. It's not a race to be won, but an experience to be savored. It's about being fully present, fully immersed in the sights, sounds, and sensations of the natural world, letting go of digital chains, freeing yourself from the constant connectivity that often binds us to our screens, and finding freedom in the moment, the liberation that comes from simply being, without the need for distractions or external validation. Every step is a return to yourself, a gentle reminder of your own inherent worth and potential. When we disconnect and start looking inward, the path ahead becomes a beautiful beginning, a fresh start filled with possibilities and the promise of growth. Let's walk it together, just you and the world, connected by the shared experience of being present in this moment. No rush. There's no need to hurry, no need to push yourself beyond your limits. No expectations, just release the pressure to achieve or accomplish. Simply allow yourself to be. Just presence. Pure, unadulterated presence, the key to unlocking inner peace and contentment. It's easy to feel overwhelmed these days. Our phones buzz, screens glow, and information never stops. While our minds crave rest, but the digital world keeps us on high alert, leaving us tired, anxious, and sometimes disconnected. But stepping away, even for a moment, is like a breath of fresh air, a return to natural rhythms. That's why unplugging feels so good. It's the relief our minds and hearts truly need. Ready to unplug? Start by putting your phone on silent or airplane mode, or leave it behind if you can. Let someone know where you're going for safety. Bring water and wear comfortable shoes. As you walk, notice the colors. Listen to the birds. And breathe in the fresh air. There's no perfect way. Just be present and let nature do the rest. Now that you're on the trail, let your senses come alive. Notice the vibrant greens, the play of sunlight on leaves, and the tiny details all around you. Listen to the rustle of leaves, bird song, and the gentle rhythm of your footsteps. Breathe in deeply, smell the earth, wildflowers, pine, or fresh rain. Feel the cool air on your skin, the ground beneath your feet, the texture of bark or moss in your hand. Let every sense remind you you're part of this living world. As you walk, notice when your mind drifts away from the present moment. Gently bring your attention back. Guide your senses. What do you see, hear, and feel right now? Each time you return, you strengthen your focus and presence. Let thoughts and worries float by, returning to the peace of now. With practice, this gentle return becomes easier. After your walk in nature, bring that sense of calm back with you. Let the peace you found outdoors guide you as you return home. Make a conscious decision to create a tech-free space, maybe a cozy reading nook or a spot by the window for quiet reflection. Let this be your daily retreat. Try starting your mornings without screens. Enjoy a cup of tea or coffee. Listen to the sounds around you and set a gentle tone for your day. In the evening, wind down with a book, gentle music, or simply by watching the sky. Let these moments help you recharge. Make time to connect with loved ones, share a meal, or take a walk together. These small rituals nurture your sense of belonging. Remember, calm is always within reach. With a few mindful choices, you can bring the peace of nature into every part of your life. Take time to unplug from the noise and recharge. It's the perfect way to reconnect with yourself.